Welcome back, children. Now we are moving on to the second video of the chapter Smart Charts. In this video I will be discussing with you the topic tally marks. Tally marks is also another way of representing data. We have learned different ways of representing data. Which were the different ways that we learned? One is pictograph, representing in the form of pictures. Next was bar graph, representing information in the form of bars. Then you learned circle graph, representing information in the form of parts. Then line graph, representing information in the form of line segments. This is also another way, that is called tally marks. Okay, tally marks is another way of representing data. That is, here we show in the form of lines. You draw one line over here. From that it is understood you are showing the number 1. Then you draw two lines like this. It is understood you are showing the number 2 over there. When you draw 3 lines, it is understood you are showing the number 3. When you draw 4 lines, it denotes 4, the number 4. Now, to represent 5, you will draw it like this. On top of the 4 lines, you will draw one line in a slanting way. So, what happens? This one bundle is represented as 5. So, next if I want to represent 10, what will I do? I will draw 4 lines, this is 5, and I will draw one more, this represents 10. So, one line is represented as 1, 2 lines represented for 2, 3 lines for 3, 4 lines for 4, and a slanting line on top of these 4 lines will represent as 5. This is meant by tally marks. So, here we have a question, use the data given to build a tally chart. What is the data given here? Favorite pets of class 5 students. The teacher has taken an information about the favorite pets of that class, of that particular class. So, she got the information like this. The pets what she has taken is cat, dog, fish, birds and rabbits. In that 10 students like cat. So, how to represent this 10 in the form of a tally mark? I have shown you before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One bundle. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is tally marks. Now 18. How to represent 18? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 3 bundles will show you 15. Then you need 3 more. So draw 3 lines, that will show you 18. Then how to show 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One bundle. Then 1, 2, 3. So you get 8 over here. Then 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then show 1 over here. It becomes 6. And finally you have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can show it like this. So this is how you represent tally marks. Now we have few questions based on this. Which is the most popular pet? Which is the most popular pet? Yes, dog. Dog is the most popular pet. Then, how many students like fish as a pet? How many students like fish as a pet? How many students? 8 students. So, answer is 8. Write 8 students. Next, how many students gave information about their favorite pet? How many students gave information about their favorite pet? So, you have to add all these. You get 10 plus 18 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4. 10 plus 18 plus 8 plus 6 4. So, when you add it, you get 6 plus 4, you get 10 here. 10 plus 10, you get 20 here. Then 18 plus 8, you have 26, 26 plus 20 you have 46. So, total how many students gave information about their favorite pet? 46. You can count it once again. 10 plus 18, 28, 28 plus 8, 36, 36 plus 10 you get 46. Okay. So, that is one way of representing the tally marks. Here you have another question. The following are the marks scored by the students of class 5 out of 30. Class 5 students. These many students are there, and I have we have taken the marks they have got out of 30. Some of them have got 5, some of them have got 10, some have got 15, some have got 25, some have got 21, some have got 30 out of 30. Okay. So, we are going to make a chart, we are going to build a chart on this and we are going to do the tally mark for that. Build a tally chart and answer the following. So, you have few questions over there. So, I will take out the marks which the students have scored. Which are the marks that I can see? I can see 5, I can see 10, I can see 15, then I can see 21, 25 and 30. These are the marks which are repeating. So, I will make a table over here 5, 10, 15, 25, 21, 25 and 30. Now, I have to count and see how many students got 5 marks. Okay. So, I have here 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4 students have got 5 marks. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Next, how many students got 10 marks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 students have got 10 marks. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry, 5 like this, 6, 7. So, here 4, here 7. Children, the correct way how you have to do is, first you have to see 5, go to 5's column, put a line. Then you have 10, go to 10's column, put a line. This is how you have to do it. Okay. Then you see 15, go to 15's column, you put one line. After that again you see 30, so go to 30's column, put one line. Okay. Then you see 25, so 2 times you can see 25. So put 2 lines for 25. This is how you have to do. Okay. But since we have to keep going back and come, that's why I am counting it like this and doing it for you. Next we will see how many students got 15 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 students have got 15 marks. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can write 5 here. Next, we will see how many students got 21 marks. First line there is nothing. Second line 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 students have got 21 marks. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 4 here. Next, how many students got 25 marks? 1, 2, 3 over there, then you have 4, okay, then 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 students have got 25 marks. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And finally, how many students got 30 marks? Here 1 over here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 students have got 30 marks. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1. So, 6 students got 30 marks. Okay. Now, we can see what is the total number of students. You can count and see how many students are there. You have 4, 7, 11, 16, 16 plus 4 you have 20, 20 plus 8, 28, 28 plus 6 you have 34. Okay. So, now we will answer the questions. How many students scored 30 marks? That is a question. How many students got 30 marks? 6 students. So, write here 6 students. Which 2 marks have equal number of students? Which 2 marks have equal number of students? Yes, 5 and 21 is having equal number of students. 5 and 21. Which 2 marks have equal number of students? That is 5 and 21. Then, how many children are there in class 5? That we have added and found out. What is the answer that we got? 34 students. Okay. So this is how we build a tally chart. As I told you, you will represent in the form of lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a bundle of 5. This picture will represent you as 5. Okay. So simply don't draw lines and keep, don't make it like this. When it is 5, draw it like this. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is all the multiples of 5 will come in the form of a slanting line. Okay. So this is another way of representing data. So we have learned different ways, that is circle graph, line graph, bar graphs, tally marks. Okay. So, you will be, from when you get your notes, you will be getting 1 or 2 questions more to do it on your own as homework. Okay. So with this chapter is over. Thank you, children.